More than 1 in 5 households in the United States depend on septic systems to treat their wastewater. A properly maintained septic system safeguards your family's health, protects the environment, and can save you thousands of dollars on repairs. What can I do to protect my system? Quick tip number 7, pump your tank. Generally speaking, most residential septic tanks should be pumped every 3 to 5 years. Some types of specialized or advanced treatment systems may require more frequent pumping and other maintenance.
Hi, I'm Robert, septic pumper in Northern Virginia. Your septic tank contains 3 substances: effluent, scum, and sludge. Over time, scum or grease accumulates on the top level, while sludge or solids sit on the bottom. During a scheduled pump out, the operator uses a vacuum line to remove the buildup. The effluent or untreated wastewater travels from your drains to filters that separate the scum and the sludge. These filters should be taken out and cleaned during the pump out service. Follow recommendations from your service provider and local health department.
So do your part to be septic smart. To keep your system working in top condition, schedule to pump out your septic tank at appropriate regular intervals, and keep your maintenance records in a handy place so you know your system's service history. Watch our other quick tip videos to learn more about how you can be septic smart. For additional information, visit www.epa.gov/septic.